Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Day. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mole Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. We're helping El Paso help their pets. So today I actually have a pretty big tip. The question is, should immunocompromised people own pets? So basically, immunocompromised people are those people that have a weakened immune system, either because they have a disease like AIDS or leukemia, or because they're undergoing chemotherapy or other treatments that decrease the immune system. In this group, also on a certain point, pregnant women also are included because their immune systems are depressed while they're pregnant. So basically, the answer is yes. If you have adequate care for your pets, you can definitely own pets. Pets are shown to decrease the stress and anxiety and discomfort of people that often have illnesses, such as debilitating illnesses or painful illnesses, cancers, things like that. So even if they are immunocompromised, the companionship of a pet can greatly improve their life and their well-being and their comfort level. So pets add a lot of good to their lives. But we do want to watch out for diseases that can be transmitted. So basically we call zoonotic diseases, diseases that are passed from pets to, or from animals to humans. And there are many of them out there. The list is too big for me to go over right now, but if you ever have any questions, you can definitely come in and we can talk about it. If you do have the situation where you're immunocompromised or one of your family is immunocompromised and you're either thinking of getting a pet or you already have a pet, then bring the pet in, let us do an exam, and we'll talk about all the preventative care that you need to do. The main thing is to make sure that your pet does have adequate preventative care. This means making sure that it's always on a dewormer, that cats do not go outside and are not allowed to hunt. So you want to keep cats inside at all times. You want to do fecal tests, so tests of the poop every 6 months. Make sure that they don't pick up any intestinal parasites. You want to keep them vaccinated, especially against rabies, because rabies is the #1 deadly zoonotic disease. Also, when you're cleaning aquariums or litter boxes, wear gloves and make sure and clean litter boxes every single day. They should be scooped up every day and then cleaned or dumped completely and washed at least twice a week or so, depending on the pets. The other thing is keep them healthy in other cases. So do testing that's necessary, things like that. The #1 risk for people that are immunocompromised that have pets is bite wounds. So even in those of us that aren't immunocompromised, bite wounds from cats can be deadly. And so if you ever do get a bite wound, make sure you flush it and clean it completely and then go to the doctor immediately and get put on antibiotics. There have been numerous cases where the bite wound looks really minimal and then a week or two later it's the person has wound up in the ICU unit in the hospital. So especially if you're immunocompromised, but all of us that have cats, if we do get bite wounds, make sure that you go into the doctor immediately. And if you're immunocompromised, make sure that the pets that you have aren't roughhousing with you, aren't scratching your skin or wrestling with the mouth and accidentally bite you, because you're going to be more at risk for things like that. So also the other thing, besides wearing gloves, washing your hands, just good hygiene, washing your hands after petting your pets, and especially before eating or having your hands around your face. And then keeping your pets on commercial foods, meaning store-bought foods. Don't cook at home and don't use the raw diets if you are immunocompromised, because things like salmonella can pass from your pet to the people. So make sure you're using commercial diets, which I'll do another video tip on. There's different things about diets that are important to know, and a lot of us have different myths that we're not completely aware of. So basically, in general, to wrap it up, yes, immunocompromised people definitely should have pets because they add a lot of value and love and care and decrease the stress and the discomfort. of the human patients, but also we want to take care and make sure that we're preventing any zoonotic diseases. Those diseases pass from the pets to the humans, and any bite wounds. If you have any questions at all, please let us know, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.